the Big Bird rap, the big bird rap, the big bird rap, the big bird rap, big bird rap, big bird rap. I said big bird bat. The bird, the big bird rap, 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 the big bird rap. Yeah. Splish. Oh my God. Or my Kenzies. I'm blowing up in the air. I'm going in the air. So, I'm Big Bird. I'm going to introduce you to some of my new friends. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo, wake up. Huh? Hi. And Captain Underpants. Hi. Yeah. Yes. I got out of the toy chest of Claw Machine here.
So that's okay. We are going bike riding tonight, right?
Say yes.
Say yeah, only with Mom.
Sorry about that. Yeah. So I was out at the toy chest, and them two were out at the Coyote Crane, right next to the toy chest, which is a claw machine. Okay, they're both claw machines. So, thanks for watching. Peace. And do not smoke.